So guys, I am teaching how to get headless. So let's get started. So let's refresh it. Okay, let's refresh it for a second, please. And then let's start. So press the avatar and go to customize. So go to accessories and go to accessories, head and body first, and build. Okay, and switch to R6. Switch to R6 and follow my settings. And then the head size lowest. And then switch to R6. And then go to accessories. Get the down to earth hair. There's the down to earth hair. And then copy my settings. Okay, so first go and then X, put on full, and then put on biggest, not really biggest, but put it in big, and then it should look like this. And let's move it a bit forward. Okay, so moving it a bit forward and done. So let's apply, and boom, you got a messy hair. And then you can get the Knights of Redcliffe head, Paladin. So get this. Okay, get that, and then switch to black hair. Switch to black hair. You might need to switch to black hair. Black head. No, not the whole body, but I got wrong that part. So press on head and black. Okay, it should look like this. There you got your headless, and let's choose some let's just choose headless for this. Okay, I just got wrong in this. So guys, you need to R6 again. So I need to R6 again, and then go, and you can make your own shirts, you know. So I'm making my new shirt. So let me choose for a sec. Okay, so I'm choosing this bacon, and then choose. I'm just choosing whatever shirt I made and what I like. So here I got my shirt. Cool, right? And then let's look for pants. Not really, this one's bad. And this you can use this for pants. And then boom, you got your headless. Okay, see you, bye.